That's funny. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Been up for a minute now, but sat down, was listening to some videos, and I noticed that some of my startings, my little ceiling startings, have came in. Good morning. I don't know who that is on here. Go ahead and say hi. Let me know who you are. So I just wanted to show you guys my little plants. Nothing crazy, nothing major, but you know, in here we talk about lifestyle as well as business and finance and things. So I just want to show you a little bit of my life. Nothing crazy, but just as the pre-warner. Hey, Boomy, good morning. Just as a pre-warning or whatever. Oh my God, I think she thought I said Google. Google! Stop. She's gonna keep going, sorry. But you know, we use everything in our household as permaculture. So the rabbits' feces provides good fertilizer for our soil, and then it helps the plants grow stronger. We feed them grass and we feed them the vegetables, so it's all the whole cycle, and it makes them good. And then later on down the road, you know, if we need to, we will process the... Okay, Google. Stop. Podcast. Sorry. Funny thing. So every day I say, okay, Google, good morning. And when I say good morning, it plays everything for me. My schedule, the weather, and then it starts a podcast. So that's what it was doing. I'm sorry. I guess when I said good morning, it heard me. But yeah, so permaculture. Everything helps everything. Sorry, let me slow myself down. All right, so I have my rosemary right here. Or actually, this is lemon balm. But you see I got eggshells crushed up in there. But this is lemon balm. It's starting to grow, so I'm a little excited about that. You know, I'm trying to make sure that we have everything that we need. So growing herbs, growing vegetables. We got kale outside. We got lettuce outside growing. It's windy today. Woo. This is tomatoes. So after today and tomorrow, I believe it's going to start getting good. So good outside. So we have tomatoes, and then we have lettuce right here. I got my own lettuce growing, so I'll be able to just come outside, cut it off, keep it going. We got marigolds. I have my squash. Look at that. They are growing, and they're going to continue to grow, and they're just going to hang out of there. It's going to look so cool. We got Brussels sprouts. My Brussels sprouts, and then right here I have more different kind of sweet lettuce, so it's starting to come in right around there and then a little bit over. I'm gonna go in because it's cold. Oh my God. But yeah, so we got that outside, you know, just trying to live sustainable life where I can. We also have our quail. I just came from outside, but it's cold. I'm sorry. I just want to show you guys my quail. So you have them. Woo. It's just too cold. I'm gonna come and clean them out Sunday though. Every Sunday is working on the homestead. So get the eggs from the quail, and we're actually going to try quail this weekend. So if you want to see that live, I'm gonna put it in our Patreon. Yes, I would love that. That's so cool. I'm gonna get my cover back. I'm sorry, it's cold. I need to heat myself back up. But I'm gonna flip it around, show you my basil. So you see basil, we got a little bit coming in. I put a lot of seeds in, but I don't know why it's not coming in just yet, but it's okay. And then this is my chamomile. So you see chamomile. I'm excited for the chamomile because I have that planted outside as well. So that is going to be very exciting. And then we have rosemary here, but I don't know what's going on with that thing. It hasn't sprouted yet. You know, I always find a story in everything. I always find a way to preach to you guys, but don't get discouraged. Whatever you're planting, whatever you're waiting for, the harvest is coming. Keep planting. Do what you can to make this soil good. She said, don't kill it quick. Yeah, make sure that you are putting in the work, all right? Because your harvest is gonna come, all right? It's a matter of seed time and harvest. It's the matter of law of reaping and sowing. Like, it's gonna happen. But yeah, we are going to try the quail this week. I want to preach what we talk about, so we're going to try the quail this week. I know that kind of made you upset, Boomy, but yeah. We're going to try the quail this week and, you know, see how it works out. We already have tried the bunnies, so that's a part of the lifestyle. That's the part of the homestead. That's a part of the way of life, especially once we get more space and a bigger farm. Everything helps everything. And if the pandemic happens, if anything happens, I'm already a country boy, family's Dominican, so when I go there and things, I'm already used to rawness, okay? So it's nothing for me. It's actually a whole lot more easier and saner to do. But I'm excited. I have to plant more I have to plant more wheatgrass, because we actually use that. I use that every morning in my smoothies and stuff. But we have wheatgrass growing that constantly grows, and then I use you see in here is little fishies swimming around my little pathos container, so I use that as water for the plants and the soil, so it helps as fertilizer. But yeah, that's just our little homestead. Like I said, you guys, as in the natural, so is in the spiritual, or in the, you know, out there in the world, understanding planting and seed time and harvest. You may be planting a lot. You may be putting a lot of things out there. You may be getting frustrated because you haven't seen anything sprouted. I planted these in February. I planted them in February. And it's now almost the end of March, and I'm just seeing seeds, and I'm just seeing sproutings. If I would have gave up and threw away the soil and threw away stuff or started over, I would have ruined what I had going on. But keep sticking to the science. Keep sticking to the system. If you're part of a home-based business, I'm sure it has a system that you need to stick to, okay? It's common sense. Like, if it's copy and paste, or if it's repeating and doing what they're saying, like, a lot of people are failing because they aren't following the leader, you know? And I know there's a lot of people who, you know, have made it hard to follow a leader, a true leader. But follow the steps, follow the things, and I'm sure you will see your harvest. Because I got rosemary, I got kale, I got turnips outside, I have peppers growing, I have all these things growing. And I planted them like beginning of February. Like I said, I planted them. You can start them in the house and then you take them out. So there's ways to nurture your seed. There's ways to nurture your garden. There's ways to jumpstart it, okay? Figure out ways to jumpstart your business. Figure out ways to jumpstart your garden, your life. What can you cultivate? What new can you grow? All right? I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. I'm not here to preach to y'all. I just wanted to show y'all my little stuffs. We have a new video posting on YouTube. As you guys seen and know, I bought some turkeys. We're in a townhouse, and I bought turkeys, you guys. But they were $4. I couldn't help it. And I have a cage that I can put that they're in now. So yeah, we're gonna grow turkeys for Thanksgiving. After 3 months, these are broad-breasted turkeys, so after 3 months they'll be able to be culled, and I'll pop them in the freezer for Thanksgiving. And then yeah, we're gonna try out the quail, so we're gonna post a catch and cook clean for the quail. Stay tuned, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Like I said, if you want to see more inside videos, in-depth videos, one-on-one interviews, conversations that I have, that's in our Patreon. And I thank you guys so much for supporting. Have a good day.